Hallo Leute, herzlich willkommen. So in today's video, we are going to see some common topics, okay, in A1 writing. So which are the most common topics given to you in A1 writing that we are going to see here. So this is as all of you know, this is a full A1 writing course, and this is video number 5, but part 4. So I will share one screen with you. Then you will get to know what are the common topics. Yeah. So today we'll discuss about what are the common topics given to you in A1 writing. So these topics definitely they will going to come, all these topics which we'll discuss here, and how to write also. That also we are going to discuss it here. Now let's practice common Goethe A1 topics. In this category, hobbies will come, okay? Then your self introduction about your family. So the basic things will come here, and you don't have to write very long and complicated sentences, as I told you in earlier videos as well. So you have to write very clear, short, and simple sentences. Simple grammar and simple German is equal to good marks. So now about yourself, how to write about yourself. Now, if suppose you are Rahul, it will be Ich heiße Rahul. That's mean my name is Rahul. But in German, you write like, or you speak also like Ich heiße Rahul. Ich komme aus India. Okay, I come from India. Ich bin Student. Right? So this is clear. So this is all about your short intro, you can say. Now, if some question comes about your family, then you can write a few sentences. Of course, you can add your sentences too. Here, I have given just sample sentences. Okay. Ich habe eine Schwester. I have a sister. Mein Vater arbeitet. My father works. Okay. So these are the simple sentences about your family. You can add yours too. Now about daily routine also. Some question can come in daily routine theme. So you can write Ich stehe 7 Uhr auf. Okay. Meaning I wake up around 7. So this is actually stehe, and lastly auf is coming. So these are called as separable verb. Okay. So the single verb is aufstehen, meaning to wake up, but you can split it, and auf will go at the end. Okay. And stehe will come at the second position. Okay. In a sentence. So all of you know the main verb always comes at the second place in a sentence in German grammar. Now, ich arbeite 9 Uhr. I work at 9 o'clock. Okay, so these type of simple sentences you can add in your daily routine. Now, coming to your hobbies. It is called as hobbies in German. And family is also called as Familie. This is English family, but all of you know that it is called as Familie. Now in hobbies, ich spiele gern Fußball. Okay, so I like to play football. Ich spiele gern Fußball. Ich lese gern Bücher. Meaning I like to read books. Okay, Bücher is it is you can say that plural of book. Book is singular, that is book, and Bücher is plural. Then write 4-5 short sentences only for each point. Correct? For each topic, you can say, if suppose hobbies is given, just write 3-4, max 5 sentences, not more than that. Okay. If you write more, there is no use. So understand that you have to write just 4 to 5 short sentences only per topic, and use simple grammar in writing. Don't use very complicated grammar. Okay. So I think this is clear. I hope this is clear. So subscribe to my channel if you are preparing for Goethe A1. I'll be coming up with more such videos, exam related videos, and this is a full Goethe A1 writing course. Okay. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye bye.